Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Anjum here from EA Sports and welcome back to my channel. So everyone, in today's video we will be talking about the third ODI which was played against India and New Zealand everyone. Where India, they lost the third ODI and they lost the series to New Zealand as well, 2-1 everyone. So let's not waste any time, let's get into the stats of the match everyone. Yes everyone, so New Zealand, they batted first and they scored around 337 for 8 and played all 50 overs everyone. And to be honest, Daryl Mitchell, this guy is in incredible form. Honestly speaking, another century from him everyone, around 137 runs. Damn those shots, that timing everyone. What a great batsman this guy is. I'll say it again. This guy always smashes India, to be honest. And to be honest, this guy is the second Travis Head the Indian cricket team have gotten. And to be honest, great batsman, not going to lie. While Glenn Phillips, everyone, he also scored around 106 runs, everyone, a century. Well, we saw Glenn Phillips on the field with also known as Phillip Airlines, catching the ball out of nowhere. Coming to the ball out of nowhere, everyone, the great fielding by him, everyone knows him by the Phillip Airlines. This time he showed the same momentum, but not on the field, but on the crease this time with the bat, everyone. And he just smashed the ball out of the park every time I saw him bat in the third ODI. While India, everyone, I hope I could say the same about them, but they played absolutely badly. Their performance was absolute trash, everyone, as they were only able to score 296 while they were all out by 46 overs, everyone. Couldn't even survive all 50 overs. While Virat Kohli, everyone, yes, he's in incredible form at the age of 39. He has taken care of his fitness and he hasn't let the criticism affect him. And he scored a century, everyone, which is absolutely great. While everyone, we saw two more big performances from Harshit Rana, he scored 52, and Nitish Kumar Reddy, everyone, he scored around 53. But everyone, still the batting was really slow by the Indian cricket team. They have forgot how to bat, and yes, to be honest, their dominance and their aggression only works on small teams like Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Oman, not on these big teams, everyone. They have legitimately forgot how to play against big teams. Like, first I used to say this about the Pakistani cricket team, but they have improved a lot, that they can't handle pressure of big teams. But now India, looking at their recent performances against these teams, everyone, like Australia, New Zealand and South Africa, man, the pressure has gotten to them. And to be honest, the energy which they're bringing into the T20I World Cup, honestly, they'll get trashed, man. They won't be able to defend the trophy. I'm being completely honest. So it's better for them to withdraw now. If they don't, then they weren't even able to match New Zealand's intensity, everyone. While they failed to stay consistent, everyone, across the innings. So shame on this bloody team. Absolutely jokers, man. Jokers. While Shubnam Gill, ever since he has become the captain of the Indian cricket team, he has forgot how to bat. And yes, he has just become chill, everyone. Legitimately has forgotten how to bat. Yes, ever he should have been the backbone of the cricket team, of the Indian cricket team, and he just decided to just come in, move the bat a little bit and just get the frick out of there. What is wrong with this guy? You've been given a responsibility. You have to fulfill it. If you don't, then you can just resign from this captaincy post. Why are you ruining the team? Oh, you know what? This team can only show attitude. While they won't shake your hands, they'll close the bloody dressing rooms on you. While they'll scare the living crap out of the teams to not come to their country due to security concerns, but they won't give a single performance, a meaningful performance. Honestly, I'm so done with this team. Legitimately. Oh my god. While yes, they need a lot of improvement, everyone. because under high chase pressure they couldn't cope up, and they need to improve a lot. So yes, bringing this energy into the T20I World Cup, even though this was the ODI, everyone, the same applies for the T20I cricket team of India as well, everyone. So yes, so everyone, stay tuned on AA Sports for more updates like this. But I'll see you people in the next video. Allah Hafiz, everyone.